Right, guys, you have to ignore my sore throat. Got laryngitis, had a cold. Feel fine, sound like a bag of shit. But as promised, we're going to start going through this as of today. This big collection. I'm going to start with the worst, smallest tub, work our way up to the big boxes. That is a lot. The house is full. I'm getting neck ache over it by the other half because it's everywhere. But horror takes first place. Joking if she sees this, of course. Not really. And yeah, we're going to go through it. I'm going to show you the what's in this one. This is going to be a short, quick, warmer of me getting warmed up, getting back into this, because I'll probably say everything like I am, completely muddled up and wrong. But hopefully as we go on, we'll get better. And yeah, hopefully it'll be all come together. As you can see down this side, these were in it. I love UFC, and he was a UFC fan. And there was 3 original licensed, not the cheap shit copies, the original licensed belts. There's a WEC one, which I'll get on camera at some point, which is quite a rare belt to have. But yeah, these are all the like heavy leather, decent licensed ones. So and there was a whole signed glove collection from UFC fighters. So I will go through that if any of you guys are interested in that kind of thing. So right, first tub, smallest tub, random little tub I picked up. We'll just go through it, see what's in here. Like I say, I'm a horror fan, so you have to excuse me not being so knowledgeable on Marvel and things. But right, start with the first. Glass 4K. I have seen this. Thought it was pretty decent. Love James McAvoy, think he's good. As is Willis, Samuel Jackson. Slipcover with that, 4K, so that's glass, right. Secondly, 4K, Fantastic Beasts. Where to find them? Got this on Blu-ray somewhere. Now got it on 4K. Good film, from what I remember. Another 4K. Thor Ragnarok. Never seen it. Not into this Marvel Universe thing, but yeah, 4K of that one. Again, Star Trek 4K Into Darkness. Not a Star Trek fan, but sealed 4K of that. Can't go wrong with the Ghostbusters 4K. This is remaking it with the women in it. Of the next one on. Answer the Call, but yeah, 4K of that one. Right. My enthusiasm wanes a bit because there's no horror in this particular box, but Sing 4K, no idea. It's Disney. Don't know. Dark Knight Rises. I don't know if this is. Yes, it's 4K, but it's like a media book. Have seen that. Good film. This, I think, is just a Blu-ray. Yeah, just a Blu-ray of Ant-Man. Again, not seen it. That's why I'm not really going into depth on any of these, but I just haven't seen them. I'm just not into them. Doctor Strange. Of course, it's got old Benedict Cumberbatch. Sherlock. I like him in Sherlock. Not seen this. Blu-ray. Right. Disney Pixar sealed. Incredibles 2. Again, same story. Not seen it. Another. I'm sure we've done that, but there's another one. Star Trek Into Darkness. I noticed there is a few multiples. Some of them, that I've seen, I'm pleased with because they're big hits, so I don't mind some of them in multiples. And we've got with slipcover 4K Avengers Endgame. Yeah, Avengers Endgame. The slip. Room here. Another 4K Avengers Endgame with slip. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 4K with slips, right? That's there. Then we've got just a Blu-ray Guardians of the Galaxy. Nope, we haven't seen these. Resident Evil 4K. Again, I think I've only seen the original of that film. 4K, the Emoji Movie. No idea. 4K, Captain Marvel. Again, can't have an opinion, I haven't seen it. Stephen King's It. Good film. 4K, be keeping that. 4K, Mary Poppins Returns, is it? With Slip. Not seen it. And lastly, for this little box, 4K Ghostbusters 2 with Slip. So that just ties up this small little tub that was sort of a loose tub in my way downstairs. And this is like, from what I've looked at in a few of the other sort of opening the boxes quickly, this is the real, this and one other box is the only sort of non boutique horror collection, if that makes sense. There's another box of mainly 4Ks, which I'll go through. Hopefully tomorrow my voice will sound a bit better. So, it sounds croaky and it's hard to get more effort to get the words out, but we'll go through it. Hopefully be better rolling through it with the horror stuff. I'll have more enthusiasm for sure with the horror stuff. It's my bag. But yeah, like I say, all of these 4Ks, this kind of stuff will probably end up going for sale. So not really my thing. But yeah, nice one for watching, guys. This will be regular now. And I'll just keep uploading. We'll keep going through it. Have some fun, mix in some other bits, figures, all sorts of crap. And then, but mainly focus on, let's just get this massive horror collection over the next month or two gone through. It'll be fun. So I'm sure there's stuff in these boxes that I don't expect to see. So, yeah, ideal, guys. Thanks for watching again. See you guys soon.